What is up, you guys? It's Devin, Diet Supra. This is a bonus episode.
Hi. Got a tan. I'm not Devin, I'm Greg.
So you guys, we're not going to be working on the Celica today. We're going to be working on my daily dually.
Daily dually.
So this is my buddy Greg, known him from the Army. It's super awesome to have him here.
It's good to be here, man.
And yeah, your first YouTube appearance ever.
So it's funny, talk about that for a second. I've been on YouTube since, been using YouTube since years and years ago. Subscribe YouTube Premium, never been on YouTube. You're on YouTube. I comment on your stuff on YouTube from Iraq.
That's true.
First time that you see my face.
Exactly. And so we're gonna do some easy stuff today. It's just some maintenance, and we're gonna show you why it needs some maintenance right now.
Ow. That sounds lovely.
That's the reason we're here.
Grindhard Plumbing, good cinematography, the drone pilot stuff, and their shenanigans and reviewer involvement. You're not recording right now, are you?
I am.
Cool.
So we're good.
Is it cool that we mentioned those other channels?
Yeah,
I'm subscribed to all of them. They're great.
I mean, they're all inspiration, so.
They're wonderful.
All right, yeah, so sounds like dog shit. It's the belt, tensioner, and possibly the fan bearing. So we're just gonna do it all. Idler pulley, tensioner, belt, and the fan bearing. So.
We're gonna start working?
Finally.
I got a problem. I do a wardrobe change. So this is my normal beanie. I've got a working beanie that was given to me by a friend of mine. Special beanie. You know who you are.
I'm a fan of the green.
Yeah, green beanies are great.
Green beanies are great.
Let's get after it, brother.
Let's do it. What we're working on today, this is the fan bearing, and it goes fan clutch thing into the bearing, and that bolts to the block. So it starts to squeal, kind of sounds like a belt. So we're just gonna replace this while we're in there. And then, you know, Gates, you could sponsor the channel. I use your belts and stuff on everything.
We still use all the stuff if it's available. It's great stuff.
Yeah, we still haven't made $1 off of social media, so the Celica project is stalled. I have no money. But yeah, so we have a good heavy duty belt.
Tensioner.
Tensioner.
Thanks.
And a pulley.
Oh, there's a bolt in here too. Don't leave the bolt out. And the bolt.
Boom. So yeah, good bit of kit. And this is all going on the truck because I need to go to work.
That part.
Since we don't have any social media money.
We gotta go to work.
Gotta work.
Work is necessary.
Oh, and it rested on something? Look at that.
Like it was made for it. It's like it's made for it.
Like it's made to protect the radiator.
Here you go.
Sunny on this D. You're a son of a bitch, you know that?
Am I a son of a bitch?
You knew that it was gonna do that shit.
You did it to me too.
You knew it was gonna do that shit. He didn't fucking warn a brother, nothing. He said that shit happened to me, so that's just gonna happen to him.
Here you go.
Fuck him.
Are you in a better mood now?
I'm
cheers,
in a
brother.
great mood. Fucking cheers, brother. please, no. Did you take note of, I'm not doing that shit.
I don't know where you can check that from.
Yeah, no, that's crazy. It's gonna go back in just fine. It's a cast iron block, dude.
You're gonna chase that fucking thread. Fuck you. Where'd it came out?
Fuck you. Came out of the top. White, right there. Right underneath that hose. Right there.
Oh, those hoses right there?
Yep, right.
It'd be great if the fan was out of the way. I could fucking get the tool in.
It'd be great if the fan was out of the way. I'm a fucking asshole.
That wasn't a reflection on you, dude. That's a reflection on how this job's been trying to be a pain in our asses.
It's literally a whole pain in the ass.
Dude, it's trying to fleece Johnson the